Hello everyone, we're going to draw Van, the character from BT21. Before we start, don't forget to prepare the tools you need and make sure they are working properly. First, we're going to sketch the overall look. You don't need to be too detailed and make sure the sketch is erasable later on. After sketching, redraw the outline with black marker as closely as possible with the sketch. Use the thin marker for the outline or even thinner marker if it is too detailed. You can use the bolder marker to fill black to the bigger area. Just follow the outline from this video and remember, you can always pause it if it is too fast for you to follow. Erase the pencil sketch as you no longer need it. Once you have the outline, start coloring with the colored marker. Usually I start with the lighter color first, so if there are some slight mistakes, you can always use darker color to fix it. It's so easy! Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.